Hello everyone, today I'm going to show you how to upload audio to Roblox in 2025. So make sure you will have logged in officially, and when you just logged in, and make sure you will be in Creator Hub program, and in the second thing is that you will just tab on its creations, and when you just get in, so you will be moved in the developments items. So here you will see the option is audio, so I will just tap on it. So I will just scroll down. So here you will see, so here you will just upload your asset. You will just drag and drop media here to upload. So the max number of files 1, so the format is mp3, so the max size per file 20 MB. So you will just tap on it from the desktop, and you will be able to upload your audio on Roblox. So hope this video helped you. Please don't forget to like and subscribe and get notified for more videos.